So, welcome back. We received yet another great question. Hey Michael, what is an acquire? So, in the context of payment processing, an acquire refers to the financial institution or bank that enters into an agreement with a merchant to process, accept credit cards or other electronic transactions on their behalf. So, that's the acquire. Then you have the issuer. The issuer is the one that gives the cardholder, the consumer, their credit card. Billwerk Plus is not an acquire. We are acquire independent. And this is a great benefit for our merchants because we help our merchants ensure that they have the right acquire setup. So if you're expanding into a new market, or if you feel that you have had a growth in your transactions, please reach out. We're happy to help you ensure that you have the right acquire setup.